back to Kiamichi Railroad Shortlines on the Hot Rails by Marshall Price. My brother Josh. Wow, that's a good shot. There goes Kiamichi, Freddy. They're heading to Arkinta. Woo! There goes my friends on the Idabel Police Force. We picked a different spot tonight. A lot of people have been bugging us, so we're moving to different spots. There they go, going eastward. It's a pretty good train tonight. Pretty good mixed modal freight. Alrighty, everyone. Thank you for watching. Marshall Price Productions that films the Kiamichi Railroad and the Queen Eastern Railroad. If you want to see more live action with me and my friends on the Queen Eastern Railroad and the Kiamichi Railroad, please subscribe, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and then ask your friends, tell your friends and family to please to subscribe to me and subscribe to my friend over here. He's a good rail fan, and I came down here tonight. It's a lot closer, cheaper on gas, and it's good to see my friends out here tonight. So I'm gonna be posting the Queen Eastern Railroad one pretty soon, so y'all get ready for that one. I'm gonna be posting that pretty soon. I might be posting that right about now, so So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time on another amazing adventures on the Kiamichi Railroad on the hot rails. See y'all later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'll see y'all later.